So here's the trade that I took yesterday with my 80% win rate strategy. Very, very simple. These are my rules here, so follow along if you want to know what the rules are. I only take longs, and I only trade the 5 minute. These have got the best win rate for me. That's why I trade them. And very simply, all I do is I wait for a obvious sweep of sell side, and then I'll take inversions back to the upside to target buy side. It's really that simple. So as you can see here, these are my rules. We come down, we sweep the low, which is sell side. We're on the 5 minute here. We get an extremely bullish reaction. Look how big this candle is. This is like a 150 point candle. Obviously, this is reaching the very, very limits of the kind of size of stop losses that I like to take. Generally, I like to risk about $200 on all of my accounts, copy traded. But on this one, I did take this and just had a provisional stop loss of somewhere around here. If we did start to come back down and retrace massively, I would have just closed it for a loss. But you can see basically what I do is I just take the inversion back to the upside. You can see we inversed both of these 5 minute gaps here. Very, very bullish candle. We come up here. As you can see, we come back down and retrace. We tap the gap again, and then we bounce and have a really bullish push. I scale half my position out here at 1-to-1, and then I go break even on the rest, and then I just target buy side above, which was this really obvious wick, which I've been targeting all day, looking to target all day, which is this big obvious wick here. And you can see that that was a pretty obvious target that did get hit, and this is literally how I trade every single day. There's nothing else to it really, guys. I just wait for a big sweep down. We sweep below, I take inversions back up, I target buy side, and I've got around an 80% win rate because the 5 minute filters out a lot of the nonsense trades that you get on the 30 second and 1 minute that tend to fail. You don't have to take 15 trades a day to get profitable. I just take 1 or 2 trades a day. I wait for these big obvious sweeps of liquidity, and then I'll take the inversions back to the upside. You could see there was actually a trade here as well that you could have taken, which was at open here. Really obvious 5 minute trade. As you can see, this would have been a 1R. And then you would have got break even on the rest pretty much, as you can see. That's what I would have done on that one. I didn't take that trade personally because I was waiting for a bit more of an obvious sweep down. But overall, as you can see, worked out completely, very, very nicely. And now, really, I'm just waiting for another trade. There wasn't any other trades today so far. I would be looking for probably a swing down below one of these lows. All I ever do is I just mark out these lows like this at the start of the day, put alerts at them, and wait for them to get hit. And that's all I do every single day. I just wait for lows to get swept, and then I target highs. And really, that's all you need to do to be profitable in trading, in my opinion. Have some discipline. Take 1 or 2 trades a day. This is not financial advice. This is just what I do, and this is how I got profitable. I've got an 80% win rate over the past year or so and like 100k of payouts from prop firms. And all I do is just wait for lows to get swept and take inversions back to the highs. And I do this every single day. And sometimes we lose and sometimes we win. But most of the time we win quite large, and it's very, very good. I've been really enjoying this trading strategy. As you can see, there's one here as well. 3 candle pattern inverse is the best. And then you just target buy side. And really, I've been having a great time trading this. And it's going to be, well, fascinating really to see what you guys think. As always, like and subscribe, leave a comment. If you do want to get alerts for my trades, you can get them down below in the premium WAP. And if you do want to get giveaways for accounts, join the free Discord down below. Go and click both the links now, and I will catch you in the next one.